Good day everyone, my name is Teacher Claire. Welcome to another lesson on educational innovations. In this lesson, I will be teaching you how to use an interactive mind mapping tool. The learning objectives for this lesson are to demonstrate an understanding of what mind mapping is. Second, discuss how to access and use the free interactive mind mapping software. For the teachers, students, and business people, mind map is considered an important means of presenting concepts, ideas, or information. For better understanding, let me define what mind map is. Mind map is a diagram or visual means to organize information. Teachers usually use this technique as a means to show relationship of ideas or concepts that they are presenting. For the information of everyone, this tool was first discovered by Tony Buzan, a British psychologist. In the first place, why do we need to use mind mapping? We use this technique for the following reasons. First, it enables us to easily understand complex concepts or ideas. Second, it encourages creativity and memory retention of ideas. In addition, it helps us how to organize logically the key concepts. And finally, it enhances our productivity. Here are the guidelines in doing mind mapping. First, we need to determine or decide your main topic. Second, you have to place your main topic at the center. After which, you then capture the possible subcomponents which are related or connected from the main idea. And finally, you will branch other ideas based on the captured sub-ideas. To teach you on how to use this free app, we need to access the website Gitmind.com. So this is the official website of Gitmind.com. Just like any site, you need to sign up by clicking the Get Started button. But before that, allow me to give you the overall features of this website. This is usually an exciting site because you can create not only the mind map, you can also have free editable templates of various flowchart, organizational chart, UMI, diagram, swim lane, even an analysis chart. But today, we will just limit our discussion on mind map. The good thing about this website is that Gitmind provides secure cloud storage to save and protect your files. Take note, every changes that you made in this website can be saved and synchronized across all of your devices automatically. As soon as you've done signing in, you will discover the various editable templates. At the left side of the screen, we will see the various menus. So we have the new button, recent, mind map, my flowchart, collaboration, my share, then my collection. If you want to create a mind map from scratch, you will simply click the new button. And as you click it, you will be asked to select between mind map or flowchart. For this presentation, we will click mind map. For example, we will make a mind map about social media. At the upper left, we rename the file by double-clicking this button. If our main topic is social media, we will simply double-click the box to rename it. If you ask me, how do we make branches? To do that, we need to click first the main topic, which is social media, then we press Tab from our keyboard. To add as another subtopic, we will click the main topic box, then click the floating node button found at the upper portion of the screen. Once activated, click a space where you want the box to appear. Next, we add a relation line by clicking the main topic, the relation line found at the left bottom of the screen, and then connect it to the main topic or theme. To rearrange the subcomponents, you will simply drag and drop. Another good news about this website is that we can insert an image, insert hyperlink, insert comment, even remove all those you have attached. To attach an image, we simply click first the box where we want it to appear, then click the attachment button. So once attached, you can resize the picture as well. You can also change the background color. Likewise, you can change the shape. If you want to add icon, you will simply click the icon button, then click the box where you want to appear the icon, and then click the chosen icon to insert it. To increase the font size, simply click the text button and choose the font size that you want. This time, let us export our mind map. If we want to export it as an image, we click Export and click Image. Here is the image of our mind map. But if we want to export it as a topic outline, we click the word Document. In this way, we can verify that indeed what we are doing is plausible. If you are not sure if your work is plausible, you can share it by clicking the Cooperate button and hit this plus button to enter their email address. To adjust the size of the chart, click the magnifying glass found at the left bottom of the website. So that's all for the interactive Gitmind mapping tool. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to download this presentation, just simply click the link of this video description. See you in the next video. Once again, this is Teacher Claire.